Hey everybody, it's Amanda with the DevExpress channel. Our charting component provides built-in functionality to utilize the DevExpress extra printing library to generate previews and print charts exactly the same way as you see them on the screen. You don't even need to know how to handle and configure printing. XtraCharts takes care of it all for you through a single method. Today, you'll learn how to display a print preview of a sample chart and how to provide the functionality to print the chart. I'll start with a new WinForms application. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to work with a small list of data. I right-click on the form and switch to Code View. In the form1.cs file, I add the following small class. In the form's load event, I create a list object. Then, I manually populate it with some data. I switch back to Design View. From the toolbox, I drag and drop a chart control onto the form. The chart wizard is invoked automatically. I switch over to the series page and remove the two automatically generated series. I'll be creating one later from code. I click Finish to close the wizard. I select the empty chart control and set its dock property to fill. I return to Code View. Within the form's load event, I add the following code to bind the chart control to the sample list of data. Notice that I need to create a reference to the DevExpress.XtraCharts namespace. I switch to Design View. I'm going to add two buttons to my application. One will generate a print preview. The other will send the chart directly to the printer. I drop two simple button controls onto the form and dock them to the bottom of the form. I'll set their captions accordingly. Then, I double-click on both of them to create handlers for their click events. For the first button, I'll call the ShowPrintPreview method of the chart control. This will bring up the default print preview form created automatically by the DevExpress Extra Printing Library. Since the presence of the Extra Printing Library is required, you may check for its availability using the IsPrintingAvailable property of the chart control. For this video, however, we won't be doing that. For the next button, I simply call the print method of the chart control. This will print the chart directly to the default printer. This can be compared to the quick print feature available in the Office 2007 family of products. And I'm done. I run the application to see the results. I click on the Show Print Preview button and the preview window is displayed. If I zoom out, you can see that by default, the chart is being displayed with its original dimensions. What if we want it to be resized to fill the entire available page area? Well, we'll look at doing that in a bit. I close the preview window. Now the print button, of course, will print the chart to the default printer when clicked. Let's close the application and return to Visual Studio. To have the chart automatically resized to fill the available width of the page, I'll set the OptionsPrint.SizeMode property of the chart control to zoom. I'll do the same thing for the print button. And I'm done. I run the application again. I click on the Print Preview button. Now you can see that the chart has been enlarged to fit in the available width of the page. As I modify the margins of the page, the chart is also resized to accommodate the change. For more information, just refer to the XtraCharts documentation. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.